guess that one. 1963 Chevrolet Impala LS Sedan 4D, $2,000, Lucedale, Mississippi. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala LS sedan is an all-original classic priced at $2,000. It features a 327 V8 engine with a Power Glide automatic transmission. The car has been sitting for a long time but remains complete with no parts removed. There are no keys or title, making it a potential project or parts car. The seller is open to trades depending on what you have. Two, 1978 Chevrolet Avanti, $2,950, Tampa, Florida. A 1978 Avanti Coupe priced at $2,950. This unique classic features a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch engine with an automatic transmission. The car runs and the interior is in good condition. Originally purchased as a restoration project, it's a great candidate for completion. Comes with a clean Florida title. Dart 3, 1978 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback 2D, $2,500, Paris, Texas. This 1978 Ford Mustang GT is a T-top project car available for $2,500. It comes equipped with a 302 V8 engine and a Tremec T5 5-speed manual transmission. The title is not available, but a bill of sale can be provided. A great candidate for a drag build or restoration. The seller is open to offers. Dart 4, 1979 Ford F-150 regular cab short bed, $2,500, Crestview, Florida. A 1979 Ford F-150 4WD short bed truck, priced at $2,500. Originally being built as a mud truck, it features a 400 V8 bored Miro 3 over, a Howard's cam, new rockers, valve springs, and seals. It has a C6 automatic transmission and 3.5 gears. Comes with a clean Florida title. The seller is open to trades for an aluminum flat-bottom boat, four-wheeler, or dirt bike. Shirt 5, 1966 Ford Mustang Deluxe Coupe 2D, $2,500, Athens, Alabama. A 1966 Ford Mustang project car, available for $2,500. The body has minimal rust, with floor pans being the most affected area, but the frame is solid. It comes with an inline-six engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, though the engine will need replacing. Chrome and badges are in excellent condition. The seller is open to trades, parting it out or selling as is. 6, 1963 Volkswagen Beetle convertible 2D, $2,500, Ash Flat, Arkansas. This 1963 Volkswagen Beetle convertible is available for $2,500. It still has the original 6-volt system and the engine turns by hand. The car is in great restorable condition with an uncut dash. However, it will need new floor pans and seats. The seller has too many projects and is looking for a buyer who can give this Beetle the attention it deserves. 7, 1973 Chevrolet Vega, $2,750, Bullard, Texas. A 1973 Chevrolet Vega drag car project, priced at $2,750. It features a fiberglass hood, doors, and rear hatch, along with a narrow GM 12-bolt rear end with Mark Williams axles and 4.56 posi. The car has rack and pinion steering, an aftermarket steering column, and a fuel cell with a high-pressure pump. It is being sold as a roller with no engine or transmission. Previously weighed 1,621 pounds without an engine and 2,373 pounds with an LS and 350 turbo transmission. Eight, 1968 Chevrolet Impala Roller, $2,150, Millport, Alabama. A 1968 Chevrolet Impala custom rolling chassis, priced at $2,150. It needs driver's floor and lower quarter panel repairs, but the interior is in decent shape with only minor wear on the front seat. The headliner is in great condition and the doors shut smoothly. Bumpers and grille are in like new condition. All new brakes and hoses have been installed, but it needs a rear drum. Just add an engine and transmission, and it's ready to cruise. (9) 1977 Chevrolet El Camino, $2,500, Ozark, Alabama. A 1977 Chevrolet El Camino roller, priced at $2,500, and a transmission but features a rebuilt 3.73 rear end, a full stainless steel exhaust, long tube headers, and a B&M gear shifter. Equipped with power windows and power steering, comes with a clean title and is ready for a drivetrain swap. Top 10 1977 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, $2,000, Douglasville, Georgia. This 1917 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is an all-original project car priced at $2,000. It needs a motor, but the seller is including a 350 engine, transmission, and drive shaft. Once installed, it would make a great daily driver. Comes with 15-inch rally wheels, center caps, and beauty rings. E11 1971 Mercury Cougar Coupe 2D, $2,500, Forrest City, Arkansas. A 1971 Mercury Cougar Coupe priced at $2,500. This classic muscle car comes with a 351 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It's a great restoration candidate with all the original parts intact. The seller describes it as a nice old-school car, ready to be brought back to its former glory.